what? What do you want, guys? Okay, okay. Mama giving you. High five. Yay! Welcome back to my channel. Myself Aarti, and this is Lifeomania, and here I try to share my life with you. Today I'm so happy, so excited because I got another package for my fur babies. And as you all know that I'm very particular about my babies, that what they are getting, what they are eating. They are just not a dogs, they are a family member. So it's very important for me that I always give best of the things to them. I cook for them, but I don't mind to buy base mixes or treats for them because they also need some pampering. So let me show you the package. So this is the package I got for them. The brand name is the Pet Gourmet. Now before I open this package, let me tell you that I decided to give it a try to this brand because when I was exploring their website, I saw some great stuff, some great products, and I thought, okay, I need to give it a try. But before that, I had a good conversation with them on their Facebook page, and let me tell you, the customer service of this brand is really good. They are always available to answer all of your questions or whatever you want to know about their brand or their products. They are always ready to talk with you on Facebook, on Insta, on Twitter, or on their website. So I really like the customer service. Now let's open the package and let's see what is inside. Although I know what is inside, but sometimes it's fun to pretend that you don't know what is inside. So let's open it. Chloe, sit. Chloe, sit. I will give you some good stuff today. Chloe. Okay, I just opened the package and Chloe came. Chloe knows that there is something guju for me. Okay, sit, Chloe. Sit, Baba. So see this, guys. How cute. Why I said cute? Because see this. Handwritten. I really love these kind of personal touches. So it says, Aarti, we hope you and pup have fun trying our products. Thank you and enjoy the Pet Gourmet. Now when we say this word gourmet, most of the time we think that gourmet means very expensive stuff. But let me tell you, their products are not that expensive, which surprised me a lot, because when I was seeing the ingredients and seeing the price, I was like, okay, this is gourmet, but it's not that expensive. So this is something really good. So first thing I got is chew stick. You can see, and this is a pumpkin and honey recipe. Okay, great. Guys, please sit. I'm gonna give you, wait. So this is the second item, guys, grain-free base mix. So when I saw this on the website, I was very happy because I read each ingredient and I came to know that ingredient-wise, this base mix is equivalent to Dr. Harvey's. The only difference I can see so far is that there is no added supplements here, which I don't mind because I always have herbal supplements in my kitchen for my babies, and I'm sure they're gonna like it like anything. Now if I just talk about the ingredients, so many good ingredients are here, like sweet potato, carrots, coconut flakes, banana, flaxseed, pumpkin, broccoli. Everything is dried and good. The only ingredient I don't like sometimes in base mixes is potato, but I think this is kind of like a fixed formula, so every other brand is using potato in their base mix, so it's not a big issue. So I'm really happy about this product, especially if you love your dogs, you like to make homemade meals for them. This is kind of very handy, and we travel often, like we have a transferable job. So I always try to find good things and good stuff for my baby. So when we're gonna travel, we have something healthy for them. So super useful. Next is this hip and joint health support. Super happy about this also because ingredients are natural and very good for my oldie goldie Maggie, and I'm super hopeful that Maggie gonna like it because Maggie is a very picky dog, but if she doesn't like, I know these three, Teddy, Woody and Chloe, gonna like it anyway, so good. Next is this freeze dried chicken breast. Now this is the best thing I liked about this brand because normally when you are purchasing base mixes, you have to add your own protein and it's very difficult when you are traveling. So this brand giving you very easy peasy and a healthy option. So all you need to do, combine these two with hot water and voila, it's ready for your baby. Next is dental health support. Again, ingredients are natural and very good. And this is grain free. So you know guys, Teddy, Woody and Chloe, they all are pretty young. So I will definitely show you they're gonna like this or not. By the way, I love the packaging. Last product is this Poopoo Bag. So I always buy biodegradable Poopoo bags, and the only brand I know it's available in Marshalls, and sometimes it's out of stock. So when I saw this on their website, I was like super happy. Oh my god, and they look so cute. So let me open, and I'm happy because they are biodegradable completely. Here, let me see. Yes, Chloe, this is Poopoo Bag. Poopoo Bag. My dog is the my dog is the fill in the blanks. So see guys, how cute. Super cute. I love it. This is very innovative idea. Yes, yes, yes. You want this Poopoo Bag? Huh? Now let's do the taste test. Taste test is really cute to say. Okay guys, you're ready? Sit. First sit. Sit. Okay, smell really good. Okay. High five. Yay! Teddy give me a high five. So I'm giving half and half to them because everything is really good. Ingredients are really great, but peppermint oil is something they're going to have first time. Sit. Sit. High five. Yay! Okay. Hello. Hello, Woody. Woody is also saying hello. Hey, you. Chloe. Hello. Oh my god. They like it so very much. I'm so happy. So this mama is super happy because my babies love the dental chews so very much, and I'm sure they're gonna like the base mix and everything because I know them. They love food. So that's all for today guys. Now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.